Welcome to this new tutorial, an updated tutorial for CIVIL3D. It is field to office procedure. I'm going to show you the updated steps in order to run your fieldbook file and process it correctly using the unlocking points method. So as we start, we all know about, we're all familiar with the tool space and our survey tab. So I have already gone ahead and created my job number, and I'm now going to be importing my survey database. So importing the survey data. Next, we select our fieldbook file and click OK. As you can see, it has now brought in all the relevant information I have, the surveyor has captured in the field, and it has strung all the line work that needs to be done. Once this has been done, we need to explode the survey figures. So if I click on a line up here, all the lines that string together are known as a survey figure. So we'll use the quick select method. We'll select survey figure equals select all. Go OK, go up to home and explode. And you'll now, if I click on, you'll see that the survey figures turn to a 3D polyline. Now we want to copy the relevant 3D polylines and put them on a breakline layer. A button I've created called survey figure to breakline in the tool palettes under survey from field tab. If you click on survey figure to breakline, it actually now has copied all the relevant lines that we need to the breakline layer. Just have a quick check, go on breakline, type LAF for layer freeze, and it's just left the current breakline layer on. We can have a quick pan and a 3D orbit zoom around just to have a look and make sure there's no other lines that it may have selected. It may, watch out, it may string, and you need to remove the strings of, say, fences without a target height. So you may have to just edit or remove a few break lines if that has happened. So it's always good to check by using the view and looking at it from the side. So that looks fine. So I go back to the top view, and if I LAT for layer thaw, it'll turn all the layers back on. Once we've done that, we then need to unlock our survey points. So right click on in the fieldbook file under import events, go points and go unlock in drawing. Once they've been unlocked, you should then be able to do your datum shift. Once you datum shift, for example, I'm just going to make an example of this one. So I'm zoom extents, and I'm going to rotate. And I know for this, I need to rotate all objects from this bolt, for example, and I need to rotate it 48 degrees, 36 minutes, and 25 seconds. So if I have a look at the job now, I can see that it's rotated. It's rotated to the correct angle I've specified. I now need to datum shift it. And for this example, I'm just going to datum shift it by 100 meters. So I type in move all from 000 to 100. Now that'll move it all up 100 meters. So we can see now the whole job has been datum shifted. Once that's been datum shifted, I would go into type in your layer menu, and your layer menu comes in here, and we've got break line. Then we'll just lock our break line.